Share ideas and capture creativity with MergeWorks TruBrite mobile whiteboards. Non-ghosting and easy to clean, TruBrite HPL whiteboards are available in 3 contemporary aluminum frame designs with mobile or freestanding foot options. Durable yet lightweight, our dual-sided whiteboards are available in multiple sizes and made for heavy usage, but can also nest when not in use. Maximize your writing space with our Charter TruBrite whiteboard. This dual-sided full-panel whiteboard provides a collaboration surface for writing from top to bottom. Our frontage whiteboard adds a magnetic slotted bottom panel for accessory add-ons to keep you organized. You can also create a multifunctional board by adding tackable fabric to the other side of the whiteboard. The Annex model allows for a design touch to match your brand or office concept by customizing the lower core of the whiteboard with fabric, acrylic, or laminate. This whiteboard is finished with a slotted divider rail for accessory add-ons. Portable and built to last, MergeWorks TruBrite whiteboards are your go-to tools for creativity and collaboration in your workspace.